Boy, the election has come and gone, but here are some of the funniest moments of Jamaica Decides 2020. Even check in this man. Have on a marine shirt, a waves and a watch no face, was who come back and crash. So just take in them video here. Remember to share, like, and subscribe.
We have been asked to announce the death of the People's National Party, PNP, late of 89 Hope Road, died on September 3rd, 2020. Thanksgiving service for the People's National Party will be held at 89 Old Hope Road, Kingston on Friday, September 4th. Interment follows at Belmont Road. No floral tribute, please. Cheerful colors.
No fratter, man! No fratter, man! No fratter, man!
Help! Jesus Christ of Nazareth!
Andrew just got started. What you think one term can do? Bella ringing at them for it. Them man on a match for Andrew. Bro gotta clean up the place. 5 years ago it was a disgrace. Come September 3, him a go remind them how defeat is. We over greenhouse, not a thing can stress. With them fin no greener prosperity. Orange house now no use separation no cute. For them we can't buy back juice. The people want
City 1, City 2, City 3, City 4, City 5.
Where you ball for? Where you ball
Yeah,
for?
you're right and drunk, bro! Almighty God, we need your divine intervention. We're tired of the labor right. We're tired of the green people. We are so far. We can't take it no more. We need this. We need this. We need it. Help! Help! Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Psalm 46. God is our refuge and strength. Is a liberator drive. Very blatant. They're signing for the money, very blatant. Seymour!
come here. Yo, all the money and vote for me. Find anything we can find orange or yellow put on.
Step up and wave your flag. Come step up and wave your rag. Step up PNP, we don't come to play. Step up to work for a better day. Enough! You are all of you beneath me. I am a god, you dull creature, and I will not be bullied by that.
Puny god.
I say 100%, me I say 100.999, now what can I go back high? And we say people power, and we say PNP, and we say Joan Garden, and we say power to the people who tired of it. Sweep them out. Chicken back. Alright, sweep them out. Sweep them out tonight to the pound for chicken back. Chicken back is my favorite meal. Chicken back, pork and fish. And we can't buy chicken back right now. We are sweep them out. I got school, and next year January then coming to 6. Done. You can't manage it. Me about the can't hold it. Me about it. You have to come back in the power. Power to the people. Power to the world. Sweep them out. Joan Garden, I'm going to do it. Sweep them out.